So how do you use Translate in the WhatsApp on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here and the first time on this channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, if you want to be like chatting with someone over WhatsApp and have the text translated in real time, there isn't any built-in feature to the app. However, you might access the keyboard, which has translation built in. And the app I'm referring to is naturally the Gboard from Google. So you can literally look that up within the App Store, download the app if you haven't already, and just go through the setup process. Like it's going to ask you to give the app permission to be used. And yeah, you just basically set it up. But the point is that once you are inside of the WhatsApp chats, you can switch to a different keyboard by holding down on the globe. So I'm going to switch to the Gboard like that. And now I have more features in here. When I click on the Google logo right there, I can pick the translate and literally detect a language and have it translated to a selected one. So for example, into Spanish. So I'm going to type something into English, right, into the text field in English, right, and it's going to be translated when I confirm it, and it's like I'm already just like automatically going to text it, right? So it just makes a lot of sense, especially if you are texting a lot or using a lot of these chats where the language is different and if you need to translate it a lot. So that would make sense, and that's how I like to use it. So let me know if you manage to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.